Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to see a pinned message on a Telegram channel. Whether you're new to Telegram or just missed an update, you'll learn the simple steps to access pinned messages in seconds. First, open your Telegram app. It doesn't matter if you're using Android, iPhone, or even the desktop version, the process is almost the same everywhere. Once you open the app, you'll see your list of chats and channels. Next, tap to open the channel where the pinned message is located. Telegram channels often use pinned messages to highlight announcements, rules, or important updates. These messages stay at the top so everyone in the channel can find them easily. If a message has been pinned, you'll see a small pin-shaped icon appear at the top of the screen. Now, here comes the most important step. Simply tap that pinned message icon at the top right corner of the chat. Once you tap it, Telegram will instantly display the message that has been pinned by the channel's admin. You can read it, scroll through it if it's a long one, or tap it again if you'd like to jump directly to where it was originally posted in the chat. That's it. You've just learned how to view pinned messages on a Telegram channel. It's as simple as opening the channel, spotting the pin icon, and tapping it. This feature is perfect for staying up to date with important channel information without scrolling endlessly through old posts. If your Telegram channel has multiple pinned messages, you can tap the icon again to move through each one in order. It's an easy way to revisit announcements or find specific updates shared earlier in the channel. So now, whenever you join a new Telegram community or follow a content creator's channel, you'll be ready to quickly check what's pinned and avoid missing anything important. Try it out today and see just how convenient it is to stay informed on Telegram.